That's the last one I got, so we got to make that shit count, man. Shout out to the real niggas everywhere, man. You gotta go to your girl crib? Yeah. Hey, it ain't the same since a nigga left the hood, but everybody see me and they swear I'm doing good. I'm still in the hood wishing that a nigga would, but nigga, I'm like that nigga who done made them niggas feel shook. Got that pocket in my heart, thug life in my veins, but niggas can't fuck with me, dog. I'm still the same, I ain't gon' never fucking change. I'ma still run the game. Well, fuck that when I see you in the streets and run your chain, nigga. I'm all about this black mass music, and nigga, you wanna talk the gangsta shit, I need you to prove it. All this shit these niggas doing, that's all whack. I'll come through with that strap and bust your ball cap. Faggot ass nigga, you were with me when I was on the block, still hadn't crack up in the cracks, nigga. When the head hit the block, you know that I was busting back at the J, cause I ain't scared of cops, nigga. Fuck that street nigga shit, nigga, and that's real. Faggot ass nigga, you gon' die if you fucking squill. All about my dollar bills, cause I done been broke. I said fuck going back, dog, cause that's a different road. I'm marching a long time with generals behind me. I come with a crew of niggas and they all got black seats. My niggas in this bitch, real niggas, so salute me. So when you catch me in this bitch, you best to salute a G. Nigga, I got this motherfucking heart of a refugee, and I crunch a nigga shit like it's Nestle. Break a nigga up real fast and tell him don't fuck with me, my nigga. I'm on this ass swinging faster than Zad.
I done seen the worst of both days. Niggas want a product, they can get it from the top. A young rider, a young West Rider. Motherfuckers wanna try him, but they know we keep that llama, I'm a beast. And niggas wanna beef with me, but they don't know we young G. They don't know we told heat, and I'm a rider for my side. And if a nigga wanna pride, tell a nigga he will die. SLOWY, cause I'm a fool. I've been a goon. That nigga from them back streets will leave you gloom. Motherfuckers wanna beef, but tell them niggas come get it. I'm on some other shit and tell them boys I leave niggas shitting them. Rest in peace to Elvira, rest in peace to Maya, rest in peace to Nick, and rest in peace to niggas popping. Rest in peace to Kristen, rest in peace to niggas chopping, and rest in peace to all my niggas locked behind the walls and popping. All my foul dog, nigga want a problem, tell him get it. I'm off my rocker, but a nigga still a poppin' nigga for you. If he do your name wrong, motherfucker, I'm laying for you. I'm still a dog if he wanna come on. I'm still on some other shit. Niggas are sending them home. I'm still hollering rest in peace to niggas that I love, but niggas wanna come get it. I'm still throwing blood up for niggas that be hating on us. If they want it, they can get it, bitch. I'm like a Jonas, bitch. I'm playing like a Jonas. I ain't slipping cause I'm on it. If a nigga want a product, tell them get it cause I'm on it. Young rider, young sider, young fiver, young popper, young dropper, young cocker. Gun motherfucker wanna run, motherfucker. Bet you I'll catch fast, motherfucker. I'm done, nigga.
We out here, nigga. My nigga out here too. My nigga out here.